Okay, so on this question, we've got this graph, and notice it says up here x equals 0 is a local minimum. So anyway, we're going to go through some questions. Actually, all the answers are here, but let's talk through it. Where is f prime undefined? Notice that's the derivative, right? Where's the undefined? Well, that means where's the derivative undefined? Nowhere. So that's D and E does not exist. In other words, if the slope is reasonable everywhere. So you might wonder, well, how would the derivative be undefined? Well, here's an example of one right here. See how this graph goes down here and this graph goes up there? The derivative is undefined right there because the slope, remember the derivative is the slope. So the slope is going down to negative infinity. The slope is going up to positive infinity. So the slope is undefined at x equals 1. That would be an example because the slope is the derivative. And if the slope is going down to infinity or up to positive infinity, that's undefined because that's not a number, right? You can't say the slope's infinity. Infinity is not a number. So if the slope goes straight up or straight down, that's an undefined slope and therefore an undefined derivative because derivative is slope. So, all right. So anyway, we don't have any of that here. We don't have it ever going straight up or straight down. So we don't have any undefined places. What are the critical values? Now remember, critical values are where f prime is 0 or I'll say or f prime undefined. So let's just say infinity. Undefined means infinity. So if f prime is infinity or 0. But we already said there's no places where it's infinity or it's undefined, same thing. Where is it 0? Slope is 0 right here. It's at -2. Slope is 0 right here, right? The slope is 0 whenever you're at the bottom or the top, right? Imagine you're on a roller coaster. You're riding. Right there at the bottom, you're flat for just a second. Your slope is 0. Remember, your slope is your derivative. So critical values are places where the derivative is 0, so that means flat, right? Derivative of 0, flat, and infinity, which means vertical. So we're looking for places where, is there any place where the function goes vertical? No, it never goes. You might think, what about here? Well, that's not straight up. It's up and going to the right. There's any place where it's perfectly vertical? No, there's no places where it's undefined. Is there any places where the derivative is 0, meaning it's flat? Well, yeah, right here, coming down right there, and then right there, -1, and then right there in the middle at 0. All right. And then right there at 1, and right there at 2. And there it is. Those are all the critical values because in all those places, the derivative is flat, 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 flat. For just a second, if you're riding the roller coaster, you'd be flat. Derivative is 0. Okay, where does f have a local minimum? That'd be right here, -2 and +2. Oh, and 0. And 0. Those are all minimums. Maximum, -1's a max, +1's a max. There we go. What is the global minimum? Now, global means overall, not just local, not just in his vicinity. So, what is the lowest point on the graph? Well, it's about right here, and that looks like it's -1.25, right? It's halfway between -1 and -1.5. And what x value does that occur at? Well, it looks like it occurs at 2x values. It occurs at +2 and -2. All right. And then what is the global max? What's the highest point? Well, it looks like it goes up here and up there forever. So it has no highest, has no highest. Those are D and E because the graph is, remember, these graphs go forever. Yeah. Assume the graph goes forever right and left. So if it goes forever right and left, then it's going forever up right, forever up left. It's got no max, no highest point. All right. And where is f prime greater than 0? So where is f prime greater than 0? Well, f prime is greater than 0 when means, what does that mean? That means f prime is positive, which means the function's going up. And we always mean left to right. In graphs, we always move left to right. So as you go left to right, where is the function going up? F prime positive, f, the graph of f is going up. from left to right. Left to right. So where's it going up from here to there? It's from -2 to -1. See that? Right there. And then it goes down, and then it goes from here to there, it goes up from 0 to 1. And then from 2 to infinity, it also goes up. Put u's between all those. And then where's f prime less than 0? It's right here. F prime less than 0 means f prime negative. It's a graph goes down. Oops, goes down from left to right. So it's going down in this section. That'd be negative infinity up to -2. It's that right there. It goes down in that section between -1 and 0. It goes, oh no, I just blew it. Okay, whatever. It's off a little bit there. And then -1 to 0. Sorry, +1 to 2. It goes down in that section. So there we go. There's the places that goes down.